Everyone, hope you are doing well. Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. My name is Aysu Aliyeva, and today I'll be presenting you the extinction problem in Azerbaijan. So let's start. Biodiversity is about the various miracles that our Earth provides for us. The main element that sustains the whole life, the biological chain, is established through the boosting ecosystem productivity strategy of biodiversity. There is a great saying by Frans Lanting, who is a Dutch photographer. Biodiversity starts in the distant past and points toward the future. Well, in that case, it's vital to ask a question, how well the biodiversity is protected to be pointed toward the future? One of the disturbing factors of the biodiversity is the high ongoing patterns of the extinction rate. If there are 100,000 species on Earth, and if the extinction rate is 0.01% per year, this means that at least 10,000 species extinct every year on Earth. This is a serious biodiversity crisis. But what about in Azerbaijan? Although Azerbaijan has a rich flora and fauna, problems related to the conservation of the biodiversity have not gone unnoticed in the country. In that case, it's vital to mention the Red Book of the Republic of Azerbaijan, which is an official state document on the condition of rare and endangered species. The flora and fauna of the Republic of Azerbaijan, according to the Red Book, can be divided into two categories: endangered ones and the rare species. The first category includes species that have significantly decreased and reached in a crisis level. The second ones, the rare species, include the species that tend to be declining and are found in small areas. Let me talk about some animals that are found in the Red Book of Republic of the Azerbaijan. I would like to start with black stork, which is a species of bird belonging to the genus of stork. Their habitats are forests, which are closer to lakes and rivers. Until the beginning of the 20th century, it was widespread in the plains and foothills of Azerbaijan. Unfortunately, the main indicator of reduction nowadays is the deforestation and drying of wetlands. Even it's vital to mention here that as a result of the intensive deforestation, it no longer inhabits in the Kur-Araz and Lankaran lowlands. However, the Azerbaijani government takes successful steps by taking several measures. Firstly, it's prohibited to hunt black storks. Secondly, according to the Red Book fauna of the Azerbaijani Republic, there is an active promotion about its protection through television and radios. Also, there have been established zakazniks in the forest areas of Altagaj and Shahdagh National Park for the preservation of black storks. The second species that I would like to talk about is black francolin. It's found in the northeast of Lankaran, in the Kızılağaç Reserve in Azerbaijan, in different parts of the Kur-Araz region. However, unfortunately, the number of black francolins is in the lowering patterns. There are many reasons for their loss, such as reduction of habitable areas, then trampling by cattle. Also, if the winters are very with very low temperatures are continued, then many black francolins are dead because of the hunger. For the protection of these species, Azerbaijani government establishes reserves, provides the feeding of the birds, and monitors the compliance with safety regulations. That's why, according to the Red Book fauna of the Republic of Azerbaijan, at present, a large population of black francolin, or turaj, is settled in the Kızılağaç State Nature Reserve, which is the indicator of the successful taken steps. The last example that I would like to give is about the leopards. which are the animals belonging to the species of Panthera of the cat family. Leopards can be encountered in Nakhchivan and the Lankaran regions in Azerbaijan. However, the number of leopards in Azerbaijani territory tend to be declining at a sharper rate and is in the danger of extinction. As they have valuable skins, they are frequently hunted. Recently, hunting tourism has become widespread in Azerbaijan. Even along with the local hunters, a large number of foreign nationals come to the country and hunt every year. This means hunting more animals and leads to the break of biological chain, which overall destroys the biodiversity. However, protecting leopards in reserves is not the only solution. It must be protected wherever it's found. The establishment of Zengezur National Park in Ordubad and Astara Reserve is the most important step for the protection of leopards. Overall, it can be concluded that deforestation, habitat loss, all of them are the results of the human actions. So, if we change our behaviors toward the nature, we can sustain the biodiversity, which means that directly we will sustain our lives. Thank you for your attention.